1980 Scout Traveler Turbo Diesel. Hit the glow plugs here. Fires up really good. We got a granny first gear, so good for about 7 miles an hour. There's 4 gear. Shifts through the gears really good, robust transmission. But it's an old diesel, you ain't gonna win any speed contests. Only year for the turbo with this diesel motor, 2-year only. A 79 was non-turbo, 80 was with a turbo. Showing a little over 86,200 original miles. Sold new in Hawaii. And around 82 or 83, it came back to the mainland. Spent most of its life in Washington State. Track's really nice, as good as a 1980 Scout can track. These were off-road tools, so don't expect a Mercedes-like driving experience. But overall, it drives really nice. Gears working, and all the 4 low and 4 high are working. Those have all been tested. Okay, and that's that.